Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this beautiful 2019 Mastercraft XStar. This is a 23-foot boat with 4,100 pounds of ballast and a 430 horsepower motor. This boat is the premier wakeboard boat on the market, and unbelievable wake surf boat behind this boat. This boat does both exceptionally well. Walking up through, this boat has the swim deck platform. Has little steps here. As you can see, this boat has a super cool rear seat to sit on with little footsteps here. Has the walk-through sea deck. This boat has the ZFT4 folding tower with the wake and wake surf swivel racks, bimini, and it has the surf bimini on top of that, so you can store 4 surfboards. Has the Clish Pod tower speakers. This boat is equipped with the premium audio, so it has the 2 subwoofers and Clish speakers on the dash, so 6 internal speakers, 2 tower speakers, and 2 subwoofers. It's got the awesome 12-inch dual screen for all the cool technology and control command center of the boat. Garbage can, air dam walk-through, cool sloping sleek style windshield. This boat has fold down armrests, cup holders up front, USB and cigarette lighter for your phones, the huge wide pickle fork design for tons of space, awesome storage, flip up storage on both sides, tons of storage on this boat. Walk back through here. This boat has a huge bench seat here that flips up for storage. It's got the filler pad there, flips up here, tons of storage under here, all the way through. There's your garbage can, built-in cooler over here. This boat also has the reversible facing couch that also goes into sun pad. Very awesome boat, sleek design, red, black with cloud, all cool feel material. Come and check out this awesome 2019 Mastercraft XStar, the baddest boat on the water. Check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com or come and see us at our store at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.